What are these?
Yeah.
What are these?
Two.
No, they're not tools.
No, he said two.
There's two. Oh, two. What's this?
Two.
What's this?
Two.
What is this? What is it?
Red body.
Red body. Wow. It's a red body. Okay. How many do I have?
Two.
Two. What's this?
Yeah. Two.
What's this part called?
Yeah.
What's this part?
Two.
The scoop. That's right.
It's a dot. In.
Francis, what's this over here?
Yeah.
See this?
Two. On. No.
What is this called?
On.
What's it called though? What's it called?
On.
Tell Mama what it's called.
What is it, Francis?
Tin. Toy tin.
That's right. It's a sewing machine.
Very good boy. You want to take it for a drive?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna go?
Ow.
Oh, yeah. There's a piece there, isn't there? Oh yeah, you gotta watch out for that. That's sharp. See, that's why it's not really for driving. Are you gonna take this for a drive somewhere?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna go?
That.
Where are you gonna go though?
That.
Is that for driving it?
Yeah.
Do you need that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Neat.
You need that, eh? Maybe you could step on it like a gas pedal. There. Where are you going?
A doll. A doll. A touch.
Trying to turn it on?
Yeah.
Where are you going to drive it to when you turn it on?
Yeah.
Where are you going to go?
Um.
Okay, if I turn it on, where are you going to drive? Are you going to go to Ashley's house?
No.
To the mall?
Yeah.
Yeah? Start it up and we'll go to the mall? Is that what you want to do?
And neat.
Go to Nate's house?
No.
To the mall?
On.
Are you going to give me a lift?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you drive your dad to the mall? Your mom too?
No.
Not mom?
Dada.
Just dad to the mall? Okay. How fast does this go?
A pop.
Goes fast?
Hot wheel.
You can do a Hot Wheel? A burnout, eh? Machine. You do a Hot Wheel on this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Dun.
Oh wow. That's what it sounds like when it starts up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just can't get her started, eh?
On.
Maybe it's out of gas. Do we need some gas?
Yeah.
Yeah? Should we go out in the tool shed and get some gas?
A da.
Put the gas in there?
On.
Okay, wait a second though. Wait. We'll go out in a minute. Just wait a second. You're in an awful hurry here, fella.
On. A noise.
It makes a noise when you turn it on. That's right.
Yeah.
Loud.
A
Oh,
red.
like a lawnmower.
A red.
Like a red lawnmower?
A tin on.
Exactly.
A da. In.
You want to go get the gas and put it in?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go out when it's too dark out right now, but maybe later. Okay? It's a bit dark out right now, and it's too noisy. If we fire this up, and it's as loud as a lawnmower, like you say,
Hot wheel.
oh, if we do Hot Wheels burnouts, that'd be really noisy. We'd wake up all the neighbors. everybody wake up and say, what's going on out there? Who's doing all those Hot Wheels on that sewing machine? Would that be funny?
Yeah. Funny.
Funny. Watch the little sharp part. Alright, so what's this called? A sewing machine?
Da.
Can you say sewing machine?
Da.